Hello, I feel like doing this video for you because I was wondering, about nails. It's about Sphinx nails. Do you really know how to cut them? Because it's hard actually. You can see you need to sort of press those little nails and then they come out, yeah? So she needs nail clean. But firstly, I wanted to tell you, you see, when you got Sphinx, when they're kittens, they grow their nails very quickly. It's like every 4 or 5 days. And if you don't cut them, then they sort of, they're going to play and then they stick their paw in the carpet or a cloth or somewhere and they cannot get it out, That's why you need to cut nails. And what I'm using these kind of manicure cuticle cutters. For me they work good because I used to do beauty before cutting nails. Yes, making nails. So there you go. You put your kitten like this, take like this and put on your lap, and you got to hold sort of with one hand. Can you see? I'm taking her hand here and holding here her neck like this with 3 fingers. Hold her body, paw is here, and now you need to press those little things here and just tiny bit cut it up, on top. I will show you closer what exactly you need to cut off there. Quite important not to go too deep because you might hurt kitten as well, and the nails can bleed a little bit. Can you see how much I have cut it off? So she still got nails longer and she needs cut them and clean them. So again, press little paws like that. They get sometimes impatient, and click the top bit again, press it, click the top bit again, mostly hold her body, you see, with another hand like I'm doing here. I'm holding her body like this so she cannot jump away from me and close to my belly. And now we're going to do another side. See again, close to my body, hold it with your hand somehow, and you need to catch her paw, press it, and clip the top bit again off. Was it too deep, baby? Again, and top bit is going to look like, it's lighter, longer. You can see it in her snail. I hope you can see it's clear, like seen through. So that bait needs to be off. It's about, I don't know, millimeter, something like that. You need to cut that off. You don't like it that one anymore, don't you? You're fed up. Okay. If she gets too stressed, then just take your kitten and try comfort it. Yes, baby. So she don't get too stressed about nail cuts. Play. Talk with her. Say, "Wonderful baby, you good girl. Well done. Well done." And after again, take it back slowly and start your job all over again. I hope it helps, this video. I really don't like to take videos, and especially with myself, but I'm doing for my little babies and you, so you know what to do. You're not confused, you're not panicking, you're not like, first time having pet, oh my god, what to do, nobody show me what to do. So I'm doing actually this for everyone. Okay, bye for now. Any questions, send me messages.